So if you're watching this video right now, it means we got the keys to our house, which has been a long time coming.
What an ugly key though.
Yeah, the key is very ugly. I've never seen a door key like that before.
Oh, no.
But the key ring on it, shout out to Shan that got me this for Christmas, is finally on there. My little Jacquemus key ring, how cute. So for today's video, I am showing you guys, I don't even know what. Just
There's a lot of stuff, isn't there, in this video?
We've been vlogging for months. Basically vlogged a load of random stuff which involves the lead up to buying our house.
Yeah, it's just our process.
I feel like you guys will enjoy it, and at the same time we could look back on it as well.
Yeah, it'll be a good one to look back on.
So this isn't the empty house tour. The empty house tour is coming Thursday, so it's going to be Tuesday hopefully when this uploads. We're having a bit of a problem with the Wi-Fi, but hopefully it's going to be up Tuesday.
Yeah. Got the guy coming around Wednesday to install, what is it, a Virgin box on the wall?
Socket.
Something like, yeah.
Yeah, adult things, I don't really know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Surprise, we bought a house!
Fuck. We are going to film more videos to do with like...
Moving.
Yeah, like everything we do.
Yeah,
our progress. We want to show you a lot.
Yeah.
As much as we can.
The decorating, the moving, the adult things. We're going to learn to cook together because I can't cook. Pray for me, mac and cheese every day.
Pray for you, pray for me.
Pray for Oaks. Oaks can have a mac and cheese belly and that is it. Yeah, this is just like the first of the moving vlogs, so I hope you guys enjoy. The empty house tour's coming Thursday. Like I said, we've just filmed that, so excited. We're going to do like a whole separate video on like the actual home buying process, mortgages, saving, whatever. So if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments, we'll answer those. But yeah, for today's video, you're just going to get like a random...
Just this, isn't it?
bundle of moving life, buying things.
So enjoy.
Enjoy. If you do enjoy, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more. If you're new, if you want to see more home content, subscribe. It's all coming your way. But yeah, let's get into the video.
I forgot what we filmed.
So it's been that long, but
we'll see.
Enjoy. Hiya.
Hello.
Hi, hello. Fancy seeing you here. So the date is the 1st of September, 2021. Birthday month, just gonna say that. And we're about to call the estate agent and
Holy shit.
make an offer on a house. So mad that this is actually like we're at this stage. Something just happened like in the week that we had off. We don't even like remember the point where
No, like yeah, the reason why we just think
we're actually gonna look for a house now.
it's mad.
But
It's so mad to think about it, you know.
I don't know, it still doesn't feel real.
Like, we haven't had a lot of chance to like, process it, you know.
No, we don't know how to work a washing machine.
We go through ads there. We went through ads yesterday and was like, oh my god, Shan. We gotta buy a kettle, you know.
We've decided what knives and forks we're gonna get, so
But we're adults. We're adults, isn't it?
barely. So our plan is we're gonna make a low offer.
Yeah.
Because that's the way you're supposed to start. Start low and you can always go up a little bit.
We've been told we're in a good position as first time buyers.
Yeah.
No chain involved.
Pre-warning, Oak's gonna be doing all the speaking.
You just
I was gonna be
sit
sitting
there
here looking pretty. Guys, there's been a situation.
Major situation.
Major spanner in... Ow!
What did you just do?
It was over now. Major spanner in the works. So we made an offer on the other house. First offer got rejected, which we expected. Made another offer, still haven't heard back. Went to view a different house today. And the other house, we don't want it anymore.
Property that we made offers on, we've offered under, thinking like we'd be able to get that for cheaper, but we saw this one today. The price that it's up for, we look at it and we just think,
We'll pay it.
it's defo worth it. Like the road's nice, there's nothing wrong with the house, like there's no issues at all.
Move in straight away, rather than have to like do it up before we move in.
Just need furniture and that's it, like we'd be in.
I don't think I'm ready for all this adult life. But anyway, to cut a long story short, we've literally not long got back from this house.
Oh.
And we're going to offer the asking price straight away.
Bang.
The only downside is the people with this house are still living there. So if we have to wait for them to move out before we can move in, but we don't mind that.
Fine,
We know this house is probably going to be a fight because there was loads of people viewing it this morning. So I feel like it's going to go over. Are you willing to go over? I feel like I am. A little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Thank you for calling. I didn't answer. Great. The other house we liked had 4 bedrooms. Like we don't need 4 bedrooms, but for the price we was like, that's sick. And then this house, it's only got 2, but they're like 2 big bedrooms. I just want this house. Even Oak's mum loves it, and if Oak's mum loves it, that is a good sign.
That's we can help.
This is not a good sign.
We've got to have faith.
Freaking better be.
Manifestation.
Ow. I don't really want this house. She's had loads of people already make offers. It's literally been on the website for like...
What should we do? Should we offer above?
4 days. I literally look like a shiny worm, but we are off to Ikea. I've been waiting for this day. Literally for, not actually that long, probably about a week. We know Chris was supposed to go last week, but he kept cancelling due to football. But we're finally going today, and I'm really excited. Here's my Ikea outfit. It's literally head to toe pretty little thing. This little puffer is so cute. And then these little quilted trousers. Hello fluffy socks. One of the main things I'm excited for about this house is getting I want the Ikea Pax wardrobe, so we're going to have a look at them today. This is the current situation, which is stressing me out. This isn't the first time this has happened either. This has literally happened like 3 times now, so we need to leave. We made it. Oak's dressed like Ikea.
Unintentional matching. The first thing, and we're already stopped.
Yeah, we're going to be in here for a long time. I want to get some bougie wine glasses for our house, but I want the really like thin ones. Not like I even drink wine, but you know, for the occasion.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I like that sink.
Goals, couple sink, couple mirrors.
You don't need 2, don't do, to be honest.
We do. One can be mine, so it can be messy. One can be yours, so it's tidy.
I just lifted the finger, they thought it was going to come out.
It was going to come out of that.
Dark kitchen.
I was literally about to say, oh, this is your kind of kitchen.
This is shit.
This is the complete opposite to what I want.
There's no need for that little piece of wood there, is there?
The dark vibe's just not for me. I like how like, it's got the little lights in there.
Yeah, I like that as well. What do you think about this sink?
I just want a light kitchen, I don't want dark. Oh, the tap's a bit bouge. Oh my god, it comes out, oh no, I was gonna say it comes out hot, but all taps do that. Oh my god, they're stuck to the plate, I tried to pick it up. Oh, I like this mirror, I like how big this is. That is huge.
Comfy.
Very comfy. Not our vibe, but...
Nah, definitely not, but
definitely
I
not.
like how
It's like steep.
it's far, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's far away. Buzzy.
Our balcony, having a look at the view. Beautiful England.
Look at that.
So privileged to live in this
5-star
country.
hotel, that is.
Living room section, fail. Kitchen section next. Do we think we're going to find something we both like?
Fucking no.
Probably not.
No chance.
Stay tuned to find
All
out.
the sofas as well, we don't like any of them.
The material just looks shit and cheap. It's just not what we're after. But kitchen vibes. Love. Wouldn't want the grey, but cute.
Ours.
Where have we seen those before?
Oh, maybe in our room somewhere. Because we fucking bought them.
Asda specials. Great minds think alike. Oak's acting out our kitchen. Come on, Oak. Open the door. Then you come into our house. Into the dining room.
What, you cooking? Fuck all.
Guys, this is the shape I want our kitchen, so it's like a big L.
So you want to have this and then like have the rest of the room down there?
Yeah? Yeah. But obviously I don't think ours is that wide, so we're going to like chop it to probably about
You
there.
have to stop it like here somewhere.
Yeah. Do you agree with that?
I like that idea.
Woo! Finally agree. And then I want lights like this, but not these lights.
What, we're going to have that side though?
Nothing, just a walkway to get around
Like
to
the
the
same
kitchen.
sort of thing? Like...
Bar stools, yeah.
Okay.
Agreed?
Agree, yeah.
Don't leave me hanging.
Ready to see the most childish thing ever.
I want one.
Such a dick.
Whenever you piss me off, I'm going to do that. Wow.
What?
Dressing room goals.
I like that, you know. Like for you, that looks sick, I think.
I can't really have a window though, can I? There's nowhere to put it. But this is like the idea of what my spare room,
Are you gonna have
wardrobe
drawers
room
like that,
look
yeah?
like. I'm gonna have some like that, yeah, but not clear. Because I feel like they're gonna be a mess. Yeah, I want like 2 rows of clothes, row of clothes, drawers, 2 rows of clothes.
Yeah.
And we like how this is like jewellery at the top as well.
Little flowers at the back.
Very cute. Not a fan of the flowers.
Are you not?
No,
Well, it makes it stand out.
not a fan of the flowers. I like this circle mirror though.
A mirror.
Little pit stop after all this hard shopping, putting absolutely nothing but my coat in our bag. We're leaving with 12 glasses. Woo!
Whoa.
Whoa! We're on our way to go and look at some TV. So it's Black Friday tomorrow. So we thought instead of going out on Black Friday to get a TV, because it's just literally going to be rammed.
Yeah.
We thought we'd go today, look and find the one that we want. Well, I say we want, that Oak wants, because I don't really give a shit.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
To me, a TV is a TV, but Oak needs Ultra HD for Sky Sports. So we're gonna go look at them today, and then we're just gonna order it online tomorrow. Which I think is a smart move.
I do as well. I feel like we're
Adulting.
moving up. Yeah,
We're adulting.
We're actually not being adults, like
So we're gonna get to Curry's.
going the day before.
Oh no, this is organisation.
Shit.
Wow. So yeah,
I
we're gonna
don't
get to Curry's, have a look. I used to like mess about in Curry's when I was about 12, so to be like an adult and going to buy telly is actually a bit mad. Oh Yeah.
Do you remember when we was filming a video last year and we was eating these?
Yeah. We made it. Curries. It's actually quite busy.
Do you even care like what TV we get? No, you actually don't.
I don't give a shit, to be honest.
Nah,
One's fucking huge. How big is that?
fucking huge.
Huge.
It says fucking huge.
Fucking huge.
85.
85 inch, oh my god. More like this level maybe.
Fucking huge as well.
Oh my god, look at that one, that's like a cinema screen. Should we get this one? £269.
We're a predicament, aren't we?
We are.
There's about 7.
There's about 70 million. We want 65 inch, we decided that. We don't know what brand, like we don't know what the difference is, like why. This one's £1,700 for a 65 inch.
If we bought Pekka in, it should be able to like tell us the difference between all of them, you know.
Oh, this is Neo QLED.
Yes, that's... I'm guessing that because it's on the right, it means it's the best.
Yeah.
This
I
is
don't
just
know.
crystal clear.
I don't freaking know. We're literally lost in this department. We like this telly. We don't really know what's the pros and cons, like how it's any different to the one next to it, but we like the look of this one. And it comes with Alexa.
The only thing I don't like is the stand. We're not even...
No, I think we're going to put it on the wall, so we don't care about the stand.
It,
Yeah, until we've done all the decorating, yeah. But we think we like this one. It's not too expensive either, to be fair. I thought tellies were so much more expensive than that. 3.5k for a telly, are you mad? Look, this one's 500. This one's 3,500. What's the difference, bro? Don't know. So it's February 24th. And...
Is it 24?
yeah. I'm out of breath. I'm scared.
So?
Sorry about the light, by the way, but
shit.
it is what it is.
So I had a phone call this morning.
Well, I was at work.
Morning?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was this morning from the estate agents.
And we got it. But I don't know what it is yet. So, because they tell me the date, but I'm scared.
Yeah, I've got to wait until Shane comes home to tell her.
He rang me, so we've got a date. I was like, don't tell me. I'm scared. I'm not ready.
Do you want to guess what date you think first?
I think...
The 11th.
yeah. Oh my god, I'm scared!
Okay, so I'll just tell you.
Oh, I'm scared.
You ready?
No.
The 7th of March.
Oh, I can't believe it.
We did it, man.
Oh my god. That's like less than 2 weeks away.
Oh no, man. Fuck.
I'm not ready to be an adult. How many days? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. 11 days.
Oh no. We gotta get plates.
I haven't even got plates.
We gotta get so much.
We've got a sofa and a TV.
Oh. And kitchen bar stools.
Believe it. Actually can't believe it.
Mad, innit?
Yeah. Oh my god.
I asked them if there was any earlier that they could do.
Did you? Yeah. 11 days, that's a lot faster than I thought.
Yeah, she said the Salah proposed a day. Salah proposed a moving date for the 7th. And I was just like, okay. I didn't want to like seem like overly excited because...
I'd have been like, oh my god!
I know, yeah. I didn't want to seem overly excited because you wasn't there, innit? But then I said to her, is there any chance, like, is that set in stone or is there any chance you can move that forward or what? Is that... And she's like, yeah, I'll speak to the Salah, but that's the earliest date I think they can do.
7th of March, guys. Ah!
Fucking...
We're homeowners, baby.
Oh, shit.
7th of March. I've been waiting all day to hear this.
I thought it was going to be as well. It's literally 11 days.
11 days, bro.
So it's like after next week, after the weekend, we're there.
Wow.
I literally can't. It's sick, innit?
So proud of us. I feel ready now. All of a sudden I'm like, ooh, I don't want to go anymore.
We will see you soon.
Sorry that there's been no update for a long time. There's just been no update for a long time, to be honest.
It's just been back and forth, like, for our process so far has been, like, extremely stressful.
Yeah, we'll do a whole other video on that.
But yeah, we'll speak about that in another video.
So I feel like the next clip you're going to see, guys, is when we're going to get the keys.
Hello?
Hi there, this is Laura calling from...
Hello, you okay?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, it's just a quick call to confirm that your purchase has all gone through. So you should be able to go and get your keys at around lunchtime today.
Okay, perfect. Will the estate agent call me then to let me know when the keys are ready?
Yeah, exactly. They'll give you a call to let you know. If you don't hear from them soon, it might be worth just giving them a call yourself.
Okay.
But it usually is around 1 o'clock when you can go and get the keys.
Okay, alright, wicked.
Okay, thanks so much.
Alright,
Any
thank you.
issues, just let us know.
Okay.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.
Ah, we can get the keys soon! Yay!
Oh, look at that.
Congratulations, we're officially homeowners!
Fuck.
Right, we've got shit to do, but see when we can go get the keys in a couple of hours. Actually, the day is finally here. Oh my god!
We got the fucking
We got the keys! I've never seen a key look like this before,
Yeah,
but...
it looks a bit mad, doesn't it?
Yay! The other keys are in the house, they only give us one, but we finally got the keys after a 6-month-long stress. Made it! We're homeowners! So yeah, we're gonna go to the house now and go inside. It's gonna be weird seeing it empty because we've only ever seen it when a lot of other people were living in it, so it's gonna be weird to see it empty. So excited! We've got a busy day ahead. It's 10 to 5, like it's quite late.
I know.
But we got it!